How to turn off Twitter notification on Android or iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Twitter or X app. Make sure you have already logged into the account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Head over to the options, settings and privacy. Now here you're gonna find different option. Scroll down and navigate to the option notifications. Now click on the option preferences. Click on the option push notifications. Now, here you're gonna find different option. You'll need to toggle off for all these options given over here in this way. Click on each of the option and disable for it. Once you do that, head back. Now navigate to the option SMS notifications. If you have added your phone number, you'll be receiving SMS notifications. You'll get the option of disable. Click on that. Now click on the option email notifications. Now disable for all these options. So this way you can easily turn off Twitter or X notification on Android or iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.